someone say GlossyBox? Because I feel like I have quite a few of them now. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the GlossyBox Mystery Box and tell you guys what I think about it, see if it's worth it. I basically got the mystery box for free with one of their monthly boxes, but I did not cancel my subscription in time, so they sent me another monthly box, which I'm not mad about, but I'm probably not gonna dive too deep on the monthly boxes just because I'm not sure when this video is gonna be live. I'm kind of like pre-filming a lot, and now the thing is I'm not sure which one is the mystery box and which one is the regular monthly box, so I guess we have to open all of them up and see. Tell you what, I think I found it. I mean, this kind of looks like it. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but this kind of looks like the mystery box. I mean, it's very pretty and sparkly, so it says 10 Year of Beauty, and then it also says 2011-2021. So this is how it's looking so far. It's time to open it up properly. I really love their packaging, like they definitely put effort into it, which I do appreciate. Okay, I mean, can I just say this smells really good as always. So let me take everything out, I guess. So the first thing that I'm noticing is a little perfume. This one is Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker. Is she an actress or a singer? I am not too sure. You guys tell me that in the comments. So let me just open this up and see how it smells like. I mean, I'm not easy to shop for when it comes to perfume, that's for sure. Oh, this is very floral. I mean, it's probably not my perfect cup of tea. It's kind of like an Earl Grey, and I'm more of a breakfast tea kind of girl, but it's not bad. And this is also 10 milliliters, so I feel like it will last you for a really long time. Then next up, I'm quite excited about this super tiny little one. This is basically an illuminating blush, and it's of Chiate. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but oh my god, I love that. The size is super tiny, but it's a little leaflet, like I kid you not. So yeah, let me open this up and see how it looks like. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed. Then next up we have some CeraVe SA Smoothing Cream, and it's for dry, rough, bumping skin. This sounds actually pretty interesting. I know quite a few people have a thing for CeraVe. This is definitely like a little sample size, but I'm quite interested in trying this out. Then next up I have a self-tanning gradual lotion with marula oil. I don't really use self-tanning products or things, so yeah, I'm not too sure whether I would actually use this one or not. Definitely one of their full-size products. And then the last thing that I see is this little one right here. Not sure why it's the only one that comes in this little pouch. I think that is kind of weird and odd. This one is Comfort Zone Reunite Cream, and I've actually had this one already. I'm pretty sure I found it again in one of these boxes, but I kind of like it, so I'm actually quite happy that I have another one. That is pretty much everything that was inside the mystery box. Am I pleasantly surprised by it? I honestly don't think so. Probably I would not recommend it if I have to be honest. Again, it's a mystery box, so it's probably gonna be a hit or miss. I think this one for me is kind of like miss. So yeah, I don't know how to feel about it. I kind of like the monthly boxes, I think, a bit more. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not too sure about this one. I mean, sorry, but even the packaging looks way better. So I know that I said that I was not going to dive into these boxes, but Not gonna lie, I'm quite disappointed with that one, and so I kind of want to cheer myself up. I already had a sneak peek of this one, so I know exactly what to expect, and I'm quite happy. Also, how cute is this? I am obsessed. So let me just open this up real quick. I got some stickers. I mean, I knew it, but super happy. And then this is everything that's inside the box. Like I said, I already know what to expect, and that was pretty much one of the reasons why I decided to purchase it as well. But yeah, I'm super happy with all these products, and I'm actually gonna use them a lot, I think. And now, before to wrap this video, I'm also gonna open the last box. I'm not exactly sure what's in it, so that is gonna be a bit of a surprise, I guess. Okay, so like I said, these can definitely be a hit or a miss. I love the Perfectly Imperfect box. I think that is so cute. But in this next one, we have a little soap, lemongrass. Am I gonna use this one? Probably not. Then we have a little Super Perfecting Radiance Cream. That is interesting. I might give this one a go. It's from Filorga Laboratory Paris. I'm not even sure if that's how you pronounce it, but there we go. Then we have a little vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid night moisturizer. Oh, that sounds interesting. It's from Dr. Eve Renouf, Ryouth. Again, not sure how to pronounce it, but this one sounds quite interesting. Then I got a little hand cream from L'Occitane and Provence. Again, I'm not really sure how to pronounce this, but there we go. And then last but not least, I got a little bamboo bronzer from the same brand that I got the blush from in the mystery box. Oh, okay, this is quite cute. Yes, some stars. So like I said, it's definitely a hit or miss situation. I love one box out of 3, so I don't know if that says something or not. I do have a little coupon code that you guys can get some money off if you want to check out GlossyBox. And yeah, I'm not really sure about having this delivered every month, but I do feel like every once in a while it's quite fun to like try new products. So once again, that's the video for today. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below if you tried GlossyBox before and what you think of them. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new cover every Tuesday, and the main channel start a video every Friday. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!